Hello people, welcome back to this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to change the clip on your Capcut project without changing the duration. So the first thing you have to do, open your Capcut and let's open the project that you want to change. And let's see, now in this project I already have this 15-second of video clip. So the length of this video could be like 50 seconds, but then I would like to change this video with another without changing the duration. To do that, you just need to go click the video clip section and explore the features down here. Slide into the left side until you found replace, and then you just need to go click it. And now you will be generated into your photo library and the video collection. But then if you want to change with the stock videos that provide by the Capcut, go into the stock videos, and then after that you just need to visit every sections that you want to change the video with. And after that you just need to go click the specific video that you want to change with. And you can also adjust in the sections when it could be start and when it could be end. And after you found it, you just need to confirm, and you can see the clip is changing without changing the duration of the clip. So that's the way how to change your video clip without changing the durations on a Capcut. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel guys, and I will see you for the next video.